Dear friends, today I am going to introduce ourselves. I am going to prepare a very nice, delicious dish, Italian spaghetti with meatball. Right?
Ooh! I'm really surprised because it's been a long time since Dad actually made some Italian dishes. So, go on, Dad.
Okay, let's go to our kitchen. The ingredients are Italian spaghetti, fresh basil leaves, minced ground beef, chopped tomatoes, diced red onion. If you want, you can use white onion as well. Chopped garlic, unsalted butter, olive oil, crushed red chili, breadcrumbs, 1 egg, chopped parsley leaves, grated parmesan cheese, crushed black pepper, and finally salt. Italian meatball with spaghetti pasta. It's a very easy to prepare. There are 4 steps to make this pasta. First step, we have to make a nice meatball. Second, we have to cook the pasta. Third, we have to make a fine, nice tomato based sauce. And finally, we have to combine all together to make a fine, nice Italian, delicious meatball pasta. Let's start with. First step, I will show you how to marinate the minced meat. First, crushed black peppers, chopped parsley, crushed red chili, salt to taste, grated parmesan cheese, and breadcrumbs. Then add 2 spoons of chopped red onion. Then I have to add olive oil, again 2 teaspoons, and fresh garlic 2 teaspoons. Finally, you have to add 1 egg. Then mix all ingredients together. Then keep it aside at least half an hour. Note that mix all the ingredients together at least 2 minutes. Now I will show you how to open the spaghetti pasta. Hold like that, okay? Just hold it and press it. Always like that, okay? It's very easy. Then you have to shift into the boiling water like that. I already kept the water for boiling. So I'm going to add some salt. Also going to add 2 spoons of olive oil. Then I just drop the pasta like that. Okay, just keep as it is. Okay. After 2 minutes, I need to mix very well.
Now, like what you see here, you should cook the pasta until it becomes al dente, and this word is really funny. But in reality, al dente means not to cook a lot or too much. And you can see how the pasta is slowly going inside as it is being cooked. And this is basically the phenomenon of cooking pasta.
Yes, pasta almost ready. It approximately 8 to 10 minutes, but make sure don't overcook the pasta, right? Okay. Yes, pasta perfectly cooked. I will show you the consistency of the pasta. Look, nice. Okay, then shift it.
I don't have a lot.
Huh?
I don't have a lot. Okay. Save it.
Yes, almost half an hour passed. Now I'm going to make a meatball. Meatball, make it medium size, like around 30 gram size, like this. Okay, you have to keep it accordingly. Make it another one, 2, 3. Next step, heat the frying pan, add olive oil around 3 teaspoons. Then you have to place the meatball here. Like that. Now I'm going to turn the meatball into the other side. Yeah, nicely cooked. See the color? Light golden color. If you really need, you can add oil as well. So I think I need some 2 teaspoons of oil as well. Sorry Basil, I need around 3 pieces for my pasta. Okay? 1, 2. Yes, it will give you very nice flavor of our meatball pasta. Meatballs ready now. Look, nice. So I change the meatballs to another bowl. Then I will cook the sauce in same pan. Now I'm going to add the rest of the olive oil. Then our crushed garlic and chopped onion. Then saute around 3-4 minutes. Yes, onion and garlic almost ready. Now I'm going to add the chopped tomato. Also going to add some around 50 ml of water. Then remaining crushed red chilies and black pepper. Also need to adjust the seasoning, salt. And finally sprinkle some chopped parsley. Then mix it very well. Cook another 2 minutes. Now I'm going to add the meatball into the tomato sauce. Then mix it very well. Then we have to cook another 5 minutes. Meatball with tomato sauce is ready now. So now I'm going to show you how to toast the spaghetti. Okay, next another frying pan. Add olive oil and butter as well. Yes, now I'm going to add chopped garlic and again saute around 1 minute. Now I'm going to add the spaghetti and parsley, crushed black pepper. Then saute around 1 minute. Then your pasta will be ready. See, nice flavor now. Wow. The spaghetti pasta is ready now. I'm going to plate the pasta. I'm going to keep exactly in the middle. Then I'm going to make a small well in the middle so that I can keep the meatballs inside. Going to add the meatballs. And add more sauce. Finally, I'm going to sprinkle the grated Parmesan cheese like that, and my favorite basil leaves. Wow, nice. It will give you more flavor of the pasta. Ready.
Okay, so it's time for tasting now. Now, Dad, hand me some of those.
You know what mean those? You don't know the name?
I just said it. I mean, this is spaghetti, right, with meatball.
Ah, you know that.
But I like calling it those. Wait, guys, is this serious? He'd only give me this much?
No, space.
Oh,
This you call tasting time. Tasting means what?
the
Just
legendary,
tasting.
the most powerful meatball. So it's time to taste. But wait, before.
Tell me your comment.
This is really nice. I just can't wait to eat the rest as well. Maybe you may not find this.
You know this. You remember that I teach you step by step. Next time, you have to prepare for me.
What?
Yeah, I teach you as well.
Okay then. Anyways, you saw me give a comment to my dad, which is really valuable to him. And so can you. You can give him a comment which will be valued by him so much that you can expect. So give a comment in the comment section below, which is down there. Yeah, just look, you will find it there. Now, thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like this video, right? Subscribe to our channel and share this video because it will always be good for others to know as well. And we'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.